Imagine na palit ka of ice sa kwan niya, hold the ice. You cannot hold the ice for a long time there because it's very cold, right? But there, the entire sea is as cold as that, and you know, immerse yourself in the cold water. I really remember the things that I don't want to remember. I remember my ex, 4 of them. I remember my utang. I remember everything. It's very cold. It's really a nice place. Yeah. So, I'm bringing it up so that you would be inspired to work for God and plan for a trip there if Jesus will not return. Now let's review a little bit. Functioning. My clicker doesn't function anymore. Nothing, bitch. Wala. Wala. Jet to holiday. Oh yeah. Nothing gets. Okay. Ano na ta? Binisaya. Alright. So, let's review the biblical foundation of work. Okay? And put in mind that work is part of God's original design. God's original design, He included work in there. Gi-appeal sa Diyos ang trabaho o pangabudlay sa